that. You got some casters. Got some more casters. We've got the user manual. Got these legs. Nicely powder coated. Wow, very nice powder coat job. The welds are very nice. Man, you can tell I didn't weld that. Got another one of those. Box of hardware. Oh, some O-rings. A grab handle so you can grab it at a comfortable height. Well, we got the transmission support thingamajiggies. And here's the, one hydraulic bottle jack. Let's see, 0.6 ton. A foot pedal. She's foot operated. And the other part of the thing. So, guess we've got to put this thing together. Install casters. Flat washer. Lock washer. Nut. $19 socket. Do this 3 more times. Then you want to take the wheels that you just attached to these frames and attach them to the cylinder. You want the wheels pointing towards the ground because wheels work better that way. And just thread them in. Supposedly, oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on. So, for some reason, this kit takes an M16 hex head. Of course, nobody has that. But if you use a 3/8 ratchet, they actually fit right in those holes. And you can just do it that way. Just little. Now you want to do the same with the other side. Using C-clip pliers, you want to, and these are not always fun to use either. You pull the pin, you place the pedal in there, Yep, put the pin back through. And then place that C-clip. Like I say, this is in such a stupid spot. Make sure that's engaged. There we go. Now the pedal's on. Lower the jack onto the ground. Next, we're going to put this handle on. Oh, that was nice of them. Tighten everything. Next, we're going to put the O-ring handle on. I'll tell you. There we go. Tighten these bolts. There's 3 of them all together. I took one completely out so it would fit over the top. Come on. I'm just going to take the locking pliers. Pretty good.
Have one yet?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
There you go.
Transmission jack. Oh, we had some visitors from the neighbors. Nice to know the neighbors. So now we got to tighten these bolts up and hold this up at the same time. Okay. There, now that's done. Nice little handle. Now we'll slap the tray on top of the wheel cylinder. And all we did was tighten up this bolt here. Now all we have to do is install these angle iron brackets. They're showing a nut and bolt. They gave me this eye hook. I imagine it goes towards the bottom, but that's no big deal. And I actually lifted up the transmission jack to do this, so I didn't have to bend over. I'm going to leave those loose. This way, when I want to put a transmission on it, I can adjust it for whatever I need it to adjust it for. So, yeah, I don't know, there's all kinds of adjustments. Front tilt, Not exactly sure what this does yet. Oh, just tightens. Okay. We've got front tilt. It tilts up to 30 degrees. We're down 30 degrees. We'll just. So now, this is a two stage. And why they call it two stages, there's two hydraulic cylinders in it. So the advantages of that is you can lower this down. I'll just lower that down. So a traditional single stage transmission jack will be at like 50 or 52 inches. With this, you're at 31, so it's a lot easier to put stuff on there by yourself. The 52 inch, you almost need two guys to hoist the transmission up. Now, with this, because it's got so much more to travel, you pump up, and as you've seen before, once you get to a certain point, the other cylinder will there we go. See, now the inner one is in there. And they say this will go up to 71 inches. So, and I think a single stage goes up to 73 or so. But really, this thing is taller than I am. Not that tall. But really, that's all you need to put a transmission up. Unless you're freakishly tall, that's the only time this could be a problem. But that's that. Now, a lot of the reviews on the Amazon, people are complaining that it doesn't tilt both ways. Well, for $249, you're not going to get any jack that tilts two ways. To get into something like that, you're looking at probably the $1,500 to $1,800 range if you're lucky. And tell you the truth, you don't really need it. Sure, it'd be nice to tilt both angles, but say if you need to, you start one bolt, you lower or make it go higher. Eventually, you're going to line up the other bolt. You're going to be fine. $249. It's a 2 thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed this video. You'll be seeing it being put to work here soon. And that was some nice junk. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you all next week.